how to convert images to PDFs on a Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and select the image you want to convert into PDF and further right-click on the image. Now, in the menu that appears, place your cursor on the Quick Actions option. You will then see the Create PDF option. Tap on that, and with this, your image will convert into PDF, as you can see here on the screen. So, this is how you can convert images to PDFs on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.